Peaks and valleys. The market moves in very distinct zigzag formation, and it's good to be able to identify the tops and the bottoms. This is where it all begins, and that is the essence of technical trading, is identifying peaks and valleys. To find support and resistance levels, or to draw a trend line, we first need to be able to identify high spots and low spots on the price charts. It's not complicated. It's actually very simple. Most highs and lows are easily identified just by looking at the chart. These are the major peaks and the major valleys, but along the way, there are going to be minor peaks and minor valleys formed as well. On this chart, you can see the obvious highs and lows. These are the turning points where the market either hits a ceiling or a floor and is turned around. Just by visual inspection, we can quickly see where the market gets to the bottom and then turns up, and then gets to a top and then turns down. These are the major highs and lows. Now this chart is of the same market snapshot, but this time we're looking at the less obvious highs and lows. The market will zigzag its way, forming these not so obvious peaks and valleys as they make their way to the more major highs and the major lows. The technical peak is a high on the chart with 2 candles before and 2 candles after that had lower highs. So if we're looking at the chart, the highs that are identified by the arrows have a candle that forms a high, and then the 2 candles previous to it and the 2 candles after it could not form a high that was equal to or greater than that center candle. This makes that candle a technical high. A technical valley or a technical low is a low where the 2 candles before and the 2 candles after could not achieve the same or lower low. Again, we're looking at the chart where the arrows are pointing to the different lows. We find that there is a candle that has the previous 2 candles and then 2 candles after it could not achieve the same kind of low. This makes a technical low spot. That center candle becomes the low. We have 2 previous and 2 after candles that could not do the same thing. So technically, we have a low. These are not so obvious at times, which is why they're called minor highs and minor lows.